First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, press open. Then open the channels panel, duplicate the blue channel. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose levels. Adjust these input levels like this. Press OK. Now take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, increase the brush hardness to 100%, apply the black color like this. Now hold down the control button and click on this channel thumbnail to select the girl. Then select RGB channels, open the layers panel, go to select and choose inverse. Hit the layer mask option below. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select the office background image, click place. Hold the alt button and increase the image size like this. Hit enter. Move this layer to the bottom. Now we need to remove the rough edges, so select the mask thumbnail. Go to filter, other and choose minimum. Here set the radius to 3 pixels. Press OK. Let's see the final result.